Let's have a look how an Excel.Master use Ctrl key. It can improve your work efficiency a lot. Recommend to add to favorite. First, enter the current date and current time. First, hide the current row. Let's undo the action by using Ctrl+Z. Now hide the current column. First, selecting the area from current cell to the last active cell. If you want to delete the current cell, current row or current column, you can use Ctrl+- key, then select an option. If you want to add a cell, a row or a column, then use Ctrl++ key. Remember these shortcuts, your work efficiency will be improved a lot.
Any questions, please leave me a message.